All right, here's a problem that you might run across that has a little bit of an issue that we might want to consider. And the problem says evaluate the limit of 1 minus cosine 3x over x using the following table of values. And so what you might find when you do this problem is that you notice that this is approaching 0. And this is also approaching 0. And we are looking at the limit as x approaches 0. This is approaching from the left. And this is approaching from the right. And what you may notice is that it appears that they're going towards different places. So maybe you think, well, that might be going to negative 0.00045, and this is going to positive 0.0045. And you might initially want to conclude that there is no limit. But the main thing you need to notice is really that these are getting smaller as you go down. And as they get smaller, they do get closer to 0. As this gets smaller, this gets closer to 0. And so in fact, what we should probably consider is looking at the graph. And notice that as we approach 0 from the left and 0 from the right, the output becomes 0. So actually the limit is going to be the limit of our f of x as x approaches 0 is actually 0. So this is one case where the graph is helpful for visualizing in case you don't feel there's enough data inside the table to give you the right answer.